definitely a Cotswoldian high street. Hi and welcome back to Bad Hair Adventures. We're in the Cotswolds. To be more specific, we're in Broadway, which probably denotes more jazz hands. But we're going to go up and have a look at Broadway Tower, do a little walk. Why don't you come along? Jesus, it's a bit greasy.
All the mud.
It's like 4 inches deep. Come on, people.
Cotswold Way now, heading towards Broadway Tower. A big hill in our future. Hello, Moors.
Off you, my lady.
Thanks. We're leaving the road now, cutting across this field, following the footpath signs, the Cotswolds Way. So you usually have to pay to go to the Broadway Tower, but there's a public footpath that runs through here, which we're sticking to, which means we don't have to pay. Because we're not fussed about going, it's a bit of a tourist trap.
Come on. Where's Mummy?
Little face looking through. Big steps for my little legs.
Why is the handrail gone?
Okay, I'm filming now. That's his little national trail dance. National tail?
This is
Also, just especially for Tom. gates.
There's a slider that goes into the shed, into the garage. That's fact ways.
We'll come back into Broadway Village now.
Somebody actually knew what they were doing installed back, because there's a Vinex entry system.
Just heading back into Broadway Village now. You can see from all the buildings. Yeah, it's pretty. It'd be nice if it was nice and sunny with blue skies.
I like this end of it.
Yeah.
It's a bit... This is the residential.
It's the bit with all the old buildings, isn't it?
There's a pub just there. So that's the walk from Broadway, from the Cotswolds OS book. Ooh. It was very nice. I mean, it was knackering going up the hill.
We don't do enough hills in our walks as well.
Well, that's why we want to do more. And then it was slippery coming back down the hill.
Worsted the splits a couple of times.
I mean, it was stunningly beautiful landscapes, and you could see all the hills for 30 miles easy, I'd have thought. And the dog had a good time, I think. She's got a bit of a pissed off face on her at the minute, but
That's just her face.
so we're just having our tea, and then before we head home. Well, thank you for joining us on this one. Why not like, subscribe, and comment? You know the drill. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.